Rightio guys, today I have for you a brand new module built from the Technic set 8068, the rescue helicopter. It was a good fun build, very challenging. I've definitely not built from just one set before. It's very interesting, not a whole lot of parts available for gear reductions and stuff like that. Overall, I'm quite happy with it where it is at the moment. It does leak a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty good. A little bit dangerous to work around, obviously. It works reliably enough. At least from what I've tested. You don't need to fiddle around with it too much, I hope. I've also got my completely studless stepper, which runs off a pneumatic pump and actuator. There we go. Still catches balls and isn't 100% reliable, but pretty decent. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed.